there, wild things! Howler Wolf here for another episode of Ask Howler Wolf. Well, it's the month of May, which means here at Impact Earth, we're celebrating all things gardening. We had a lot of questions come in all about that. To help me out today is my good friend and our resident gardener, Hopper.
Hey, Howler. Hey, everybody. So, what did you want to know?
Well, first of all, can you define for us what exactly is a native plant?
Yeah, sure, that one's easy. A native plant is a plant that occurs naturally in an area and has for hundreds of years without any help from humans.
Wow, that's really good to know. How about an invasive plant? What is that?
That one's a little trickier. An invasive plant is a plant that was introduced by humans, sometimes on purpose and sometimes on accident, and now grows somewhere it wouldn't naturally grow.
Ah, very interesting. Why are invasive plants a bad thing?
Well, invasive plants can outcompete native plants and sort of take over, which will ruin an ecosystem. But they're not always bad. Sometimes they just start to grow their own population and fit right in. We call these naturalized plants.
Ooh, naturalized. That's a good one to learn. So what exactly is a cultivar?
Well, cultivar is a little more complicated. It's a plant that humans have bred to be a certain way. Like how wild grapes are small and sour, but the grapes that we eat were grown on farms to be big, juicy, and sweet.
Ah, so they're almost domesticated in a way.
I would say that, yeah.
Oh, interesting. Oh, so to recap, a native plant is a plant that has just about always been here and doesn't really need a whole lot of help from humans to grow. An invasive plant is a plant that either by accident or on purpose has spread everywhere and it shouldn't be growing in that spot. A cultivar is a plant that was bred to be a little bit different than its wild counterpart to benefit humans in some way.
Yeah, sounds like you got the idea.
Ah, maybe I can join you for some gardening.
Yeah, that'd be great. I'm heading to my garden right now.
Awesome, I'll grab some tools. Until next time, stay wild and stay curious.